Hey, how's it going, YouTube? It's this Tube. Today we're going to be checking out a paintball marker, and this is the Dangerous Power G5 Elite. I got it about a few weeks ago from A&S Gear. I liked it a lot because I like the blue colors. The blue and black looks really nice. I actually added this carbon fiber barrel. It looks really nice. It feels light. So what you get with your kit, barrel stock, a few stickers, owner's manual. They have a quick start guide. The actual barrel is back here. That's the barrel that you get. So I've liked Dangerous Power for a while. I have a G5 in purple. Actually, this barrel's from that gun, from that marker, but it's really pretty good marker. It's not too expensive compared to like a Lux or those other top brands. I think this one was like $480, so it's not bad. And you also get oh, I forgot, you get like a little kit for tools and O-rings, and you get a carrying case. But if you're getting started, you want to do like a tournament style marker, this is a great one. One thing I wasn't happy with is that the 9-volt battery is not included, so you have to undo the grip and then add your battery. But overall, it's a really nice marker. Let me know what you guys think. This is the Dangerous Power G5 Elite. Subscribe and like, and thank you for watching.